Hello everyone, this is Corina from Atelier Mico, and today I'll show you how to create this 3D painting called Citrus Paradisi, which is made by two pastel colors. The materials that I used for these paintings are the following: canvas 30 by 30 centimeters, wood glue, fabric, acrylics, water-based paint, painting brushes, staple gun, and glossy varnish. I will leave in the description of this video the links from Amazon with similar products. So for the first step, you'll need a canvas, a painting brush, and some wood glue. And you'll spread the wood glue on the canvas. Make sure that you apply the wood glue on the edges of the canvas as well. So when you are ready, you can bring the material, which is taffeta. It's a new material that we are using to create bigger waves on this 3D painting. And now you can create the model that you desire. You can go free with your imagination. I used vertical lines because I created this painting in two colors and I wanted to separate them through these lines. After you place the material, you'll need to water it so it can be way more easy to create the model. And then you'll need to add some more wood glue in order to fix it really well on the canvas. After you spread the wood glue, make sure you define really well your model, and then you'll need to let it dry for at least 24 hours. When the painting is dry, you can turn it over and start to use the staple gun and pin the material on the back frame of the canvas. And here comes the fun part where you create your colors. The paint that I use is a water-based paint, the white one, and I add acrylics to create the shade that I want to have. And because the name of this painting is Citrus Paradisi, which means grapefruit, I chose to have half of the painting a pastel yellow peach, let's say, and the other half a pastel pink. So for this half of the painting, I mixed the water-based paint, the white one, with yellow acrylic in a bigger portion, and some red acrylic and blended it really well. You'll need to apply 3 layers of paint. In this video I only show you 1 layer, but you have to let the first layer dry for 24 hours. Then you're gonna apply the second layer and let it dry again for 24 hours, and then apply the third layer, which is the final one, and also let it dry for 24 hours. For the other half of the painting, I mixed the water-based paint, which is white, with more red and just a bit of yellow, and also blend it really well. Again, you'll need to apply 3 layers. So apply the first layer, let it dry for 24 hours. Apply the second layer, let it dry for 24 hours. And again, apply the third layer, which is the final one, and let it dry for 24 hours. So make sure that you spread really well the paint on all edges and apply it until you have a smooth surface. And now it's up to you if you want a matte finish or if you want a glossy one. The paint that I use gives a matte finish, but this time I wanted to have a glossy finish and I used this varnish. So before applying the varnish, you need to make sure that the painting is really clean. And I suggest to do this in an open space area because the varnish has a really strong smell. So basically you're gonna apply the varnish as you applied the paint, and you want to make sure that it's not dripping on the margin. So be careful when you spread it with the brush and do it until you have a smooth and even surface. So let it dry for 24 hours and after that it's gonna be ready. Here is the final result. Thank you so much for watching and make sure you subscribe to our channel and like this video. And of course, if you know someone who'd love to do this, you can also share the video with them. Thank you.